Hello, welcome back once again. Today let us evaluate the ninth power of -1/2 plus root 5 divided by 2. Now let's get started. Solution. Let us take note of this. X to the power of 9 is equal to x to the power of 8 plus 1, right? Make use of this property. A raised power of m plus n is equal to a raised power of m multiplied by a raised power of n. So this will be equal to x to the power of 8 multiplied by x to the power of 1, which is x. So this will be equal to, again, 8 here is same as 2 times 4. So we have here x to the power of 2 multiplied by 4, then multiplied by x. So here this will be equal to, make use of this property, a to the power of m times n. This will be equal to a to the power of m in bracket raised power of n. So this will be x to the power of 2, then raised power of 4 multiplied by x. And again, this will be equal to 4 here is same as 2 times 2. So we have here x to the power of 2, then raised power of 2 multiplied by 2, then times x. So this is equal to, make use of this from here. So we have here x squared squared squared, then multiply by x. So we can see we have manipulated x to the power of 9 and we have written it in this form: x squared 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 times x, right? Now let's call this number right over here x. So we're going to let x equals that number. Let us write it as root of 5 divided by 2 minus 1 over 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the value for x squared, right? So if we square both sides, then we get the value for x squared. So we have here x to the power of 2 will be equal to root of 5 divided by 2 minus 1 over 2, then squared. Make use of this nice algebraic identity. A minus b squared will be equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So this will be equal to root of 5 over 2. If you square it, remember root of 5 squared is 5 divided by 2 squared is 4. Then we have here plus this term right over here. 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4. Then we have minus 2 multiplied by the first term, root of 5 divided by 2 multiplied by the second term, 1 over 2. So we know 2 we cancel 2 here. So we have here, this is equal to 5 over 4 plus 1 over 4 will give us 6 over 4, which reduces to 3 all over 2. Then we have here minus root 5 over 2, right? So that is what is left here. And this is what? X to the power of 2. Okay, now let's find x squared, the square of x squared. So the square of x squared, already we have x squared here. We're going to square it both sides here. Okay, so we're going to square both sides from here. So remember, x squared squared will be x to the power of 4, and that is what we have right over here. So here this will become x to the power of 2 times 2, which is 4. This will be equal to, make use of this property here. We have 3 over 2 squared will give us 9 over 4 plus root 5 squared is 5, 2 squared is 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 multiplied by root 5 divided by 2. We see this nice cancellation here. So here we get x to the power of 4 will be equal to 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 over 4 reduces to 7 all over 2. If you use 2 to divide the numerator and the denominator, so we have minus 3 root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, so we can see that here the square of x squared is x to the power of 4. So therefore the last square here will be the square of x to the power of 4. So let's go ahead and square both sides again. Okay, So here we have x to the power of 4 times 2 will give us 8. Then this will be equal to, using that law, 7 over 2 squared will give us 49 all over 4 plus 3 root 5 squared. Remember, 3 squared is 9, root 5 squared is 5. 5 times 9 will give us 45 over 2 squared is 4 minus 2 times 7 all over 2 multiplied by 3 root of 5 divided by 2. So from here we get x to the power of 8 will be equal to 49 plus 45 we have from here. So that will give us 94. So 94 over 4, if you divide throughout by 2, that will reduce to 47 over 2. Then minus here, 2 we cancel 2. 7 times 3 root 5 is 21 root of 5, then divided by 2. So don't forget that this is equal to exactly that expression there, x squared, squared, then squared. Okay. So for us to get x to the power of 9, let's multiply both sides by x. So you can see it right over here, that this is being multiplied by x here. Okay, so x here. Therefore, let's go back and multiply both sides by x. So if you multiply both sides by x, the left hand side will automatically be x to the power of 9, which we are looking for. Remember, we're multiplying both sides by x, so that will correspond to what we have there as it is being multiplied by x. So what is x? X is equal to root 5 divided by 2 minus 1 over 2. So root 5 divided by 2 minus 1 over 2. So this is our x. So we are multiplying it by x to the power of 8 value, which is 47 over 2 minus 21 root 5 all over 2. So remember, this is equal to this which you have here, x squared, 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 then multiply by x, which is exactly what we want. So here we get x to the power of 9 will be equal to root 5 over 2 times 47 over 2 will give us 47 root of 5 divided by 2. Then root 5 over 2 times negative 21 root 5 over 2. Remember, we have a negative. Root 5 times root 5 is root of 25, which is 5. 5 times 21, that will give us 105. Divided by, 2 times 2 right over here, this should be 4. So sorry for that. So here, then 2 times 2 will give us 4. Let me not forget that again. So we have negative 1 over 2 times this will give us negative 47 all over 4. Then negative times negative plus. Then we have 21 root of 5 divided by, that would be 4, right? Okay, so here this will be equal to, here we have to add the ones with the radical. So we have 47 root 5 plus 21 root 5. So that will give us 68 root 5 divided by 4. Negative 105 over 4 minus minus 47 all over 4. So that is going to give us negative 152. Hope I'm right. Yes. So negative 152 over 4. And fortunately 4 divides these numbers exactly. So 4 will divide 68 to 17, right? So we have 17 root of 5 minus 152 divided by 4 will give us 38. Okay, so here we have our solution now. That's negative 1 over 2 plus root of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 9 without a calculator is equal to, let me write it as negative 38 plus 17 root of 5. Amazing. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.